Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to install a Windows on a Contabo dedicated server. So by default, Contabo gives us a free operating system such as Ubuntu, Debian, and other Linux distribution. But for Windows, they charge us very high. So we are going to install a Windows with a different method. Okay, so this is my dedicated server on Contabo. So first, we will have to reboot this into a rescue mode. So let's jump ahead and start the process. Now let's click on the rescue system icon and click on generate button. So it will give a auto generated password. So copy this password and save it somewhere in a notepad. So I'm going to save here and click on start rescue mode. So this will send the server into a rescue mode. Now wait for few minutes, like 2 to 3 minutes, and then open the installation tool, which the link has been mentioned in the description. Now you will need to enter the server IP, which we can copy from the panel here, and the rescue password which we have generated, and paste here and click on connect to server. So this will connect to the server in rescue mode. Now here we need to enter the order ID. So enter your order ID which you have got from Digital Drone, and you can select the operating system which you have ordered. And for now, just put the advanced mode to off and click on validate. Okay, so validation is complete. Now we can start the installation. Okay, so the installation process can take up to 3 to 5 minutes depending on the speed of your internet speed of your server. So once it's complete, login credentials will be shown. Okay, now open remote desktop protocol and connect to the server. Okay, copy the username and the password here. So you need to wait at least 5 minutes after the installation is complete. Okay, then only you will come able to connect. Okay, we can see in the system that operating system Windows Server 2022 is installed. Let's check the internet speed. Okay, since it's a dedicated server, the speed is quite impressive. Okay, the upload speed is also more than is around 1 Gbps. That's good. Okay, the link to order the Windows server is in the description. You can check in description to place the order. If you have any doubts or any questions, feel free to ask in the comment section. Thank you. Have a nice day.